everyone, this is the 15th lesson of our Introduction to Web Development with Django course. In this lesson, we will add more front end to our website and basically improve the front ends and make our design look better. So let's first start with the index.html page. Basically, in our front end, we're gonna use a Bootstrap library that contains a lot of very beautiful layouts that we can just call by importing the CSS from Bootstrap. So let's start. First, we need to write something in the head. So first will be meta charset will be equal to UTF-8. Now closing the thing. Meta name will be viewport. Content will be width equals device width. Initial case will be 1. And then we'll have the title, home of the page. Then we'll link our website with a Bootstrap framework. So here we'll have the link. So it will be https cdn.jsdelivr.net npm bootstrap at 460. This CSS bootstrap means CSS. Then rel will be style sheet. Oh, and by the way, I actually tried out a new extension in the VS Code called prettier. It's here, right here, and basically you can use the prettier framework to actually format our documents in a very good looking way. So that's why my page is literally changing after I save my comments. And now let's basically first change the B class to A class. Or maybe we should just leave this thing on. A ref. Let's just initialize the div class will be container. Then div class will be role justify content center mt5. So these things are basically some layouts that I'm just using from Bootstrap, and in order to actually use them, you just need to view the documentation of the Bootstrap, do whatever you want with it. Then div class call md. Then let's write text center. Then and then here we'll create an h1 class called mb4. And it will be welcome to homepage. Then we'll get the class div class d flex justify content center. And then a href will be login, and the class will be bottom primary 3 probably. We'll see. A href will be basically this thing. Let's just copy paste it from here. well, let's also like turn it into comments first. Now we will basically insert the thing and add some classes. So login, and the class will be button primary number 3, and then basically import copy pasting this thing right here to here, and then adding the class. It can be whatever. I'm just trying to change the color so it looks better. Button primary, or maybe we should do success so it looks like greenish. And yeah, and we'll close the div, and then we'll close a lot of divs right here. Div, and then just adding some, let's just yeah, let's just delete it. And then at the end we'll add some bootstrap JS and dependencies. So script source will be code jQuery, so https code jQuery.com jQuery. Don't worry about the about that, I'm just typing it manually. I'll just attach the code for you guys under the video, so it will be easier for you to actually implement it. Script source cdn, just the here, npm bootstrap 4.6 this js bootstrap min.js, and then the last one, script source https cdn, just the jsdalivr.net, npm popper.js 1161 test umd popper min.js. Yeah, that's basically it for our main page, and let's check it out. So we run our application cd. Let's first head into our project itself. Python 3 manage.py run server, and now let's go to the Safari and actually see the project itself. It looks pretty good, isn't it? Like the color button, and it should be responsive. Yeah, see, like when I change the size of the page, page adjusts to these changes and keeps the look clean. And that's the power of Bootstrap. So it doesn't require a lot of time and practice, but it actually helps you to create a like basic but beautiful websites that are responsive and that are compatible to most of screen sizes. Now let's go to the profile.html page, because we already have our Bootstrap layout on login and registration.html. Let's improve our profile.html page too. So here we will basically change everything out. So first we will import our layout, so it will go like extends main layout.html And then we'll go block content. We'll start our block content. Then we'll go div class equals container. Then div class will be row justify content center mt5. And then we'll initialize another class. Div class will be call. Oops. What's wrong? Oh, div class call md6 text center, and then we'll just basically start the classes. So each one, let's do mb4 because why not. Then mb4 this way, and then welcome. Here we'll use our username, so welcome and the username, so it looks better. Then h1, div class will be d flex column line items center, closing the thing. And here we'll basically copy out the URLs for the average prices. So something like this should work out. So a ref will be then URL average price. Then we'll just close the URL tag. And then we'll go class will be button primary mb3. Then calculate the average price of a one-bedroom house in Arsenal. Then let's just close the tag a. Now let's open a new tag. So ahref, Copilot is helping us actually. Ahref will be URL grok from here. Class button success. Suggestions with AI, and then let's close our tag. Now we need to close a lot of tags. Here we go. And we're basically done with our profile page. Let's check it out. Oh, be sure not to forget about inbox. Now let's check our page. Let's head straight to our website again. So right here, let's update it like that. Then let's log in. I'm always forgetting my logins, so I'm actually creating new accounts on the background, so it won't take a lot of time for us to actually do the thing. Oh, turns out it doesn't work. So let's create it. User 1234. User 1234 gmail.com. Choose my own password. Here we go. So user 1234, and then the password. And here we can see our beautiful page with like suggestions and parsing. So in the next lesson, we'll actually implement the front end for suggestions with AI, fix calculate the average price function, and we'll add the logout button And that will be it for our course.